How to fix Google Chrome's slow download speed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Google Chrome's slow download speed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you will need to head over to Chrome, semicolon, two slashes, and flags. I'm sorry, it's a colon. And after you do that, you should be here. Now after you're here, search for parallel downloading. So after you find parallel downloading, make sure that it is enabled. After you've enabled it, you can relaunch this, and after you relaunch it, you can close your Chrome. Now what you need to do is you'll need to head over to your search and search for your network connections. So after you find your view network connections, open this up, and right here you'll need to head over to whichever network you're in. And after you're here, just type in head over to properties. After you're on your properties, search for IPv4. So it's right here. After you select it, tap on properties. After you type in properties, what you'll need to do is select use the following DNS and use these DNS 1 1 1 1, and for the second one is 1 0 0 and 1. After that, tap on OK, and after you tap on OK again, and after that you're good to go. And with that, your download speed for your Google Chrome will get improved by a lot. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.